Hi, in today's video, we'd like to show you the installation of the NAViKS Auto Start Stop and In-Motion Bypass for the 25 and newer Ford Explorer. This is the hardware, and the unit comes with 6 dip switches. 1, 5 and 6 should always be down, 2 and 3 should always be up. When number 4 is down, the Auto Start Stop feature is automatically disabled. That means if you get into your vehicle and you turn off Auto Start Stop, you will remember that. We've had customers that bought this just for the in-motion function. If you want the Auto Start Stop always enabled, just change number 4 back up like 2 and 3. If you want to be able to control the Auto Start Stop feature, basically you left it in off position. It'll stay in off position until you turn it back on. You just keep number 4 down the way you see in this video. Now we're going to begin the install. Installation will entail removing 2 7mm screws around the OBD plug. There's a clip on each side that holds the OBD connector. So you would have to release it. Slide our ODB connector back into its place. Alright, now pull the plastic slightly backward, slide your hand under. You will see a thick orange wire. Alright, now that we've got the connector out, we're going to combine and now we're going to have to slide back